Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can safely store your credit card and debit cards and account numbers in Samsung Pass on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now first tap on the home key to go back to your home screen and then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, go down and tap on biometrics and security. Then go down and tap on Samsung Pass. In Samsung Pass, sign in with your biometric security or password. Next, in the private info section, tap on cards and then tap on the add button. And in here, you can put in the holder name. And then we put in the card number. So here, I'm going to put in the card number 37822246310005. So I think I got some number missing, so I'll try again. 3782 and then 8224 6310 and then 0005. Okay, I'm going to put in the expiration date. So December, years 22, and billing address. So you can add in a new billing address, or you can use one that you already have. So I'm going to use one that I already have. And then tap on saved. So this card has already been saved, and I will put in another card so you can see. Okay, so I have put in a new card number, and now I'm going to tap on save, and then tap on save, and now it is saved to my Samsung Pass account. And that's it. I now have two cards saved in my private info. So it is now just saved to my private info. If you want to use it, then you can add them to my payment methods. So if I go to my payment methods, now I have two cards added, and you can see that payment methods can also be accessed from the menu right here. So if you tap on that, so not in the private info, so in the menu up here, if you go into settings and then tap on my payment methods, in here you can see it also allows you to add new credit card. And you can see in here you can put in the number. You can also use the scan button to scan for your card, and that will automatically allow the text field to be populated with the right credit card number, the expiration date, and the CVC number. And that's it. So that's how you can add in your credit card, debit card, so Visa card, MasterCard, into your Samsung Pass account. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.